Concrete is all around us, in our buildings, roads and bridges, but have you ever wondered where it all began? Who was the first to transform simple, natural materials into something so essential to our world? The story of the invention of concrete takes us back in time to ancient civilizations that laid the groundwork for one of the most crucial materials in human history. Around 1300 BCE, early builders in ancient Middle Eastern civilizations, such as Mesopotamia and the Levant, created a primitive form of hydraulic cement. By mixing lime, water and volcanic ash, they produced a material used to coat walls, waterproof cisterns and line canals. While it wasn't quite the concrete we know today, it marked a monumental leap forward in construction technology. The true masters of concrete, however, were the ancient Romans. By 300 BCE, they had perfected the process, discovering that combining volcanic ash, known as pozzolana, with lime and stones, produced a material that could harden underwater and grow stronger over time. This innovation revolutionized construction. One of the most famous examples of Roman concrete is the Pantheon in Rome. Its massive, unreinforced concrete dome remains the largest of its kind in the world, standing strong for over 2,000 years, a testament to the durability of Roman concrete. What made Roman concrete so special? The secret lay in the volcanic ash. When combined with lime and seawater, it triggered a chemical reaction that formed a rare mineral called aluminum tobermorite. This mineral strengthened over time, making Roman concrete uniquely resistant to cracking, a property modern concrete still struggles to match. Fast forward to the 18th century and the modern form of concrete as we know it was born. In 1756, British engineer John Smeaton rediscovered hydraulic cement while rebuilding the Eddystone Lighthouse. By blending limestone and clay, he laid the foundation for modern Portland cement, which would become the cornerstone of the global concrete industry. From ancient Mesopotamian homes to Roman marvels and today's skyscrapers, concrete has been at the heart of human progress. It is a testament to human ingenuity, a simple idea that changed the world forever. Next time you walk on a concrete sidewalk or drive on a highway, remember, you're walking on history. If you've enjoyed this journey through history, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more stories of human innovation and discovery. Thanks for watching.